Hey guys, this is a 1994 Toyota Lexus SC300. Just came here to get some stuff done. We obviously it has a 2JZGTE swap done to it. It's a 5-speed R154 transmission to it. It came from a shop. It got intercooler piping already done, the full exhaust done. But we are going to go ahead and re-pull this motor out to do some maintenance on it, seals and stuff. We don't know what's been done to it, along with fuel lines, power lines, the fuel pump, everything else that goes in the front, cooler lines. And then obviously, clean up all this rust that's on these cams right now, and the pulleys and everything else. Recheck everything, make sure everything is good before we go ahead and fire this car up. Hopefully by end of this month, that's the goal. There are a lot of things that we need to address. Obviously this turbo needs to be clocked correctly. Everything else on this car needs to be cleaned, internally cleaned. I mean, the car is just a mess at the moment, but hopefully by the time we're done with it, it's gonna look very clean, and a clean swap, hopefully. So that's the goal. We are going to start working on this. I am actually going to start working on this today, see how far I get. Obviously we're going to take the intercooler pipings out, the turbo out, the radiator out, possibly get the exhaust out, jack the car up on the jack, and get the exhaust out so I can get access to the transmission, and then take those bolts out, and then hopefully the 2 engine bolts out, ready for it to be pulled. I don't know if we're gonna get to pull the motor out today, but I will keep you guys posted. Obviously there's gonna be a lot of parts to this video for this whole swap, so stay tuned and enjoy. And if you guys have any questions along the way, ask away, and we'll go from there. Thank you.